guys. Today we will be rating fidgets. 1 to 10. Do you even know if there's 10 in there? There is. I know. Did you count? No, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 fidgets. 1 to 10 fidgets. We're gonna rate. First fidget is this. Okay, one. First fidget is today's. Show it. You're just not gonna show it. Oh, I don't really like this side. This side's the best. That's not good. What do you rate it? I rate it a 7 out of 10. No. I rate it. Show it. An 8. An 8. Okay, an 8. An 8. And now it's this puppet. Okay, I like this one. Ow! I like this one a lot. I don't know, it's just nice. When you pop it, it literally comes back up. Okay, I rate this one a 9. Okay, 9 it is. Oh. Put all the ones on his down there. Now it's Big Cat Chunky Boy. I want to do it. Okay, go. Big Cat Chunky Boy. My name is Big Fat Chunky Boy. I give it a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10. Doesn't really smell like anything. Let me smell. No. Okay. I rate this a 9 out of 10. I don't really like it. You're not allowed to see it. Too much. You like it too much. No, I don't really like it. You just said you like it too much. Now it's this donut kind of thing. A donut pop. It's called the donut squishy. A donut squishy. What happened to this guy? I rate it a 10 out of 10 because it just. Let me feel. This is a 1. Ow! It's tiny. This turn. No, you have to come this. Okay. Alright. It's spinning off. I rate this 7 out of 10. Nice. Why did you show it over here? It's my turn. It is this, because he didn't even show you it. I rate it a 7. 7. Okay. Now you forgot one. Oh yeah. A head now of a squishy. To this. A head, a penguin. It's only a head. It's just a messed up head. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. I rate it 7 out of 10. Okay, I rate it 5. Okay, fine. Now it's on to this. Butterfly pop. This is the exact same. So. Okay, so. Now my turn. No, I have to get the yellow one. What do you rate it? Oh, I rate that a 9 out of 10. I rate it a 10. And then there's this other one, the same thing, but it's yellow. Yellow. I rate that 7 out of 10. I rate it a same. We've already done this. So. Okay. And no, fidget spinner. Moving on to this. Fidget spinner. This. A fidget spinner. No. What the heck is that? Okay. Rate that is next. Okay. What do you rate it? I rated it 5. I mean, no, a 9. No, 7. I rated it a 7. I'm not really good at fidget spinners. Rate it. What do you do? I rated it a 9. No, it's a rainbow puppet. I rated it a 5. I need it. We need to try the good side. Okay, go. I changed it to 6. Okay, he changed it to 6. I rate this. I don't really like it. I remember when I was playing on a wacky track and it hurt me. Oh, I rate that 9. Okay, now it's on to this. My turn. It's on to this squishy ball. Squishy ball. I don't like the feeling of it. Balls. Just listen to this. Balls. Listen to this. I don't like that sound. It's because you never squished the ball before. No, I rate that a 0 out of 10. I rate it a 10. Okay. Now it's on to this slime. No, do not take it out of the container. It goes everywhere. Okay. Oh, I know. I'm the best at it. I need to do something. I know. Shake. Look at that big fire. Look at this slime. It's very sticky slime. slime.
Yeah, it's very.
That's why I don't like touching it. Stop, no, go away.
Touchy.
Okay, I'll touch it. I'll touch it. Look.
Oh, it's so sticky.
Okay, we'll put it back in the...
Somebody!
We'll put it back in.
Okay, I'll slap you with my hand.
Take it. Yes, slime your hands. They're not nice. Okay. What do you think? Here.
I rate this a 0.
I don't really care about that. So
I rate it a 0.
It's just dinosaurs.
That's not even a
chunky,
fidget.
okay?
That's not even a fidget.
I'd call it a fidget. And then there's this ball. I rate this
Big pop in.
10 out of 10. 0 out of 10. We also have this massive puppet. I don't know. It's big. It doesn't really have much sound effects. Daniel's is gone for 1 sec. If you listen to it really close. Listen. It's kind of nice. So comment down below what you rate this. I would rate this in particular 10 out of 10. Daniel, what do you rate it?
10 already.
I already told them.
Goodbye!